Hey everyone, Nick here from CryptoNews.com. The LEDGER NANO X crypto hardware wallet. It just arrived in the mail today, so let's dive in and see what's inside. To be 1000% safe, always buy your Ledger products straight from the Ledger website. Never purchase hardware wallets from a third-party website. You may end up buying a faulty device, which could end up in assets lost, which obviously you don't want. The contents of the box include the one and only LEDGER NANO X, looking sleek as ever, a getting started booklet in many different languages, which includes 3 cards to record your 24 seed recovery phrase, a regulatory statement pamphlet, and some Ledger stickers, a USB connector cable to hook up to your computer, and a cute little Ledger lanyard. It's super easy to set up your LEDGER NANO X. Visit ledger.com/start and give yourself 30 minutes to an hour to complete the whole process. Again, it's very simple, but give yourself some time. Make sure you're in a quiet area that's secure and make sure no one's around. As a part of the process, you have to record your seed phrase. Now, they give you 3 just in case if you lose 1 or if you lose 2. But always make sure to store these in a safe place. Maybe a safety deposit box or a safe in your house, but never ever leave them around. And never record these on a computer or on your phone. You always want these to be offline, and there's nothing more offline than paper. And that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in to this unboxing video for the LEDGER NANO X. We'll see you next time.